Ever wonder why some people have skin that snaps back like a rubber band while others struggle with sagging? Most people treat their skin like a delicate silk sheet that just wears out over time. But what if I told you your skin is actually more like a muscle? You can't just rub a cream on a weak muscle to make it strong. You have to rebuild it from the inside out using specific biological weights. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint to retention your skin's internal architecture. We are moving beyond basic skincare and into the science of structural rejuvenation. If you want to stop the sags and bags for good, don't look away. To fix sagging skin, you first have to understand what's happening beneath the surface. Think of your skin like a high-tech mattress. The springs in that mattress are made of 2 proteins, collagen and elastin. Collagen provides the strength, like the frame of a house. Elastin provides the snap, allowing your skin to stretch and return to its original shape. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, we start losing collagen in our But here is the secret. Skin isn't just a covering. It is a living, breathing organ that responds to stress. Just like a muscle grows when you give it the right fuel and tension, your skin can retension itself. When we talk about rebuilding skin like muscle, we are talking about fibroblast activation. Fibroblasts are the tiny construction workers in your dermis that manufacture new collagen. As we age, these workers get sleepy and stop producing. Research published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology shows that physical and nutritional signals can actually wake them up. If you treat your skin like an inactive muscle, it becomes thin and brittle. If you treat it like an athlete, it stays resilient and firm. This isn't about hiding wrinkles with a heavy cream. This is about changing the structural integrity of your face and body from the inside. Let's look at the first weightlifting move for your skin. Targeted nutrition. If you want to build muscle, you eat protein. To build skin, you need specific micronutrients. Think of vitamin C as the master welder for your skin's architecture. Without it, your body cannot physically link collagen fibers together. Studies from the Linus Pauling Institute confirm that vitamin C is essential for the stabilization of the collagen molecule. Skip the synthetic pills and reach for bell peppers, kiwis, and strawberries. These fruits provide the bioavailable vitamin C that your fibroblasts crave. Next, we need to talk about internal sunscreen found in your vegetables. Lycopene, found in cooked tomatoes, acts like a structural shield against UV damage. The British Journal of Dermatology found that lycopene helps protect skin from the very rays that melt your elastin. Don't forget the power of silica, the forgotten mineral for skin bounce. Cucumbers and leafy greens are packed with silica, which helps strengthen the connective tissue. For supplements, we look at collagen, peptides, and hyaluronic acid. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology showed that oral collagen can significantly improve skin elasticity. It's like providing the raw bricks so your skin workers don't have to go looking for materials. We also need to mention zinc, found in pumpkin seeds, which acts as a repairman for damaged skin cells. By eating these specific foods, you are literally feeding the muscle of your skin. But nutrition is only half the battle. Next, we have to talk about the exercise for your face. Now that you have the internal fuel, it is time for the physical resistance training. Just like your biceps, the muscles in your face can be toned to provide a firmer foundation. When your facial muscles are strong, they act as a lift for the skin sitting on top of them. Research in JAMA Dermatology found that a consistent 20-week facial exercise program significantly improved cheek fullness. Try simple moves like the cheek lifter to create natural volume without fillers. This isn't just about movement. It's about blood flow. Increased circulation brings all those nutrients from part to directly to your skin's surface. Think of facial massage or gua sha as a way to drain the bags under your eyes. By moving lymphatic fluid, you reduce the weight that pulls your skin downward. Next, we must address the skin killers that break down your hard work. Sugar is the enemy of elastin because of a process called glyc. According to the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology, sugar molecules attach to collagen and make it brittle. It's like putting rust on the springs of your mattress. Finally, prioritize beauty sleep as your recovery phase. This is when your growth hormone peaks, allowing your skin to repair the day's damage. We do have 7 to 8 hours of rest. Your skin workers stay on strike. You now have the full blueprint: fuel, movement, and protection. Consistency is your most powerful tool in this journey. If you start feeding your skin muscle today, your future self will thank you. Remember, you have the power to change your skin's architecture from the inside out. If you found these biological shortcuts helpful, hit that subscribe button for more science-backed wellness. Check the description for a list of the authority studies we mentioned today. Start your skin workout tonight, and I will see you in the next video. Stay resilient.